I'm here with the SparkX i7. Y'all got questions, so let's try to answer them. Today, I'm sitting here with 4 cardboard spools from 4 different companies. Let's pop them in, run a test print, and see if they work. Creality, Hyper Gray, Elegoo, Brown, PLA Plus, Landu, Silk Gold, Overture, Matte PLA Purple. You'll notice each one has a different amount of filament on it, from full to mostly empty to half full. Let's see what happens. Since these are not RFID filaments, we will go here and we will manually edit each one. I will choose brand. For the Creality one, I will choose Creality. I will touch the question mark next to color and I will choose gray and press OK. The next one is Elegoo. I'll touch that. I'll touch edit. I'll touch brand. I'll touch generic. I'll touch the question mark under color. I'll touch brown. I'll touch OK. I will repeat this for the rest. Keep in mind, you can also program the CFS Lite from Creality Print. With everything loaded, this will sync to Creality Print and I can assign the colors to my project as I feel fit. You'll see the gold Landu spool has been letting off a little bit of slack, but the machine corrects itself. Looks like it's not a problem. The print was a success and it looks pretty good. 4 cardboard spools, 4 different brands, no real problems at all. I even tossed in some silk gold PLA. Looks like cardboard spools are a go for the SparkX i7. I'm Mr. Greg and you're on 3D Rundown.